Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. Today we're going to mod up the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. We are going to get power from a rear view mirror to power our radar detector. You can do this with a dash cam as well, but the goal is no wires dangling around anywhere. Let's do this. So this is my setup. This is a Cobra Road Scout integrated dash cam with radar detector. I had it about a couple of years and I absolutely love this. Had it in my 3rd gen, transferred over to the 4th gen, and you can see the final result here with this mount I got from Amazon. And I got a zip tie right here, keeping this wire close by, and I get power from up in here. There are no wires coming down through here down to the DC output, and it's all integrated in. And when I stop somewhere, I can just easily unplug it, take it off, secure it. I love this setup and keeps our wiring nice, neat, and tidy. And I love the ability to have an integrated dash cam with a radar detector. You can even use your phone to hook into its Wi-Fi, so you can download video and everything like that. And it also has a SD card over here on the side. But this is an RJ11 jack, and I can't say enough good things about this radar detector. It lets you know if you're coming up on any traffic cams or anything like that, although that's not legal in the state of Tennessee. Red light cameras, that sort of thing. If you didn't know, in Tennessee you don't have to pay any tickets you get in the mail. We actually had a state representative that got one in the mail, and he went down to the courthouse and paid it with monopoly money. But that's Tennessee. You have a right to face your accuser. All right, so let's go ahead and get this installed. What do you say? So what we have to do is we have to take this harness here and plug it in behind the dash. So what we're going to do is push down the mirror, pull this down, push this back plate down, and it will come off and just snaps in place. You can see the plugs right here. And then this electrical harness right here, you want to pull out. We will plug in the new one here where that went. Take this, plug it into the new. Only go in one way, snap in, and you're wired in. So let this come down through the hole here. So we want to put it right through here. Let's bring it up, and this we want to tuck in right about there so to get it nice and flush. And then we can push up right like that. All right, now we can put this piece back in. Now we'll just flush up mount right there. Then we'll take the bracket we got, and I've got one side started here, the screw, and we'll put the other one on in a minute. So we'll wrap that around just like that. We'll take our other screw, and it's kind of hard to see, but just push it up the other end, get it started in the other hole. Now that you've gotten that tightened up, you want to adjust it by turning this wheel up to where you want it to be. You can have it up here, wherever you prefer. I think I'm going to put it back over here. Then you can tighten that up, and then let's move this wire over here, and let's go ahead and mount it, and we'll test it out. We'll plug that in, see where that is. If that doesn't work, you can easily adjust it by this knob back here on the back. All right, I think that's perfect. Start it up, let's see if we get power. Now we got power of the digital rear view mirror. So let's go ahead and zip tie this cable around here, and we will be done. And trim off the excess. All right, check that out. See how it looks from the side. I love this dash cam with integrated radar detector. It helps protect you in all types of scenarios. Well, let me know what you think about this setup down in the comments, and let me know what you do in your 4th gen Tacoma with this. And we will see you next time. If you like that video, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. And be sure to like and share this video, and comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and what you think. And we will see you next time.